disinfectant in the soap bar. Your visitors will be impressed. For today's tip, we will need a soap bar. And we'll grate it all over, the thickest side of a grater. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. After that, we will transfer the zest to a pan. Now we're gonna need a meter. And we're going to add 500 milliliters of disinfectant. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Joanna from Florida. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The disinfectant is the main item for this tip, and will transfer to the pot. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. After that, we will mix the ingredients very well. Once we reach this consistency, we will transfer the mixture to a glass pan. After I started doing this, I confess that I was surprised. And we will evenly spread the mixture through it. Your family will. Thank you very much for making this tip. Now let's reserve the glass pan for 3 hours. After this time, we will slice the mixture into several strips. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home. And comment if you know any tips, so I can do and teach others. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. And then we'll pack the strips in parchment paper. The water of the discharge comes out, much cleaner and smelling. I use this tip whenever I see my toilet getting dirtier and smelly. The soap is one of the main items for cleaning, mainly assists in removing fat and stains. And so the tip is ready to use. The tip: just remove the parchment paper and press against the wall of the toilet. After that, just flush to see your toilet cleaner and smelling. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.